I'm Dan, Twisted Moustache Ambassador. Today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on stache rolling. For this you will need stache wax, stache rollers, stache comb. Okay, so to start with, I'm going to take my stache wax. This is the English Gent from Twisted Moustache. Take your wax, take your lid, scrape a tiny little bit out onto the fingers and warm. Then take your stache rollers and coat them in lovely wax. You take a step back so you can see my awesome hat. This one also in wax. Now I'm going to start off with one side here. Take a little bit of the wax that's left on the fingers, just pull it through the tache. Can also use my stache comb just to get that out straight. Use a stache roll to just pull all the hairs forward, pop that in like so, pop the hair around, and then if you watch this little technique here, so I've got it like this, and I just twist it that way, hold that close to the face, and pop that around. I'm just going to do that with the other side quickly. As you can see, if you get the stache in and then roll it around, I don't know if you can see this, but the stache will actually separates the hair and lines it all up perfectly. That is in, again, into the cheek, pull all that in, and just keep twisting it, like so. Got all the left over bits in. And we are good to go. So now I'm going to just leave that in for 15-20 minutes. I don't know, put a bit of oil, balm into my beard. I didn't put any oil in before because I didn't want to get any oil in my tache. If ever I'm stashing, I never put any oil or balm in my stache because it breaks down the wax and makes it non-effective. So, leave that in for a bit. See you in about half an hour. Right, so that's been about 15 minutes. I got a bit impatient, so I'm going to take them out now. Just going to take a little bit more stache wax, pop that open, lid into the fingers, warm between the fingers and thumb. Just a little bit on here, getting myself ready. If I start it off in the middle and just work my way out, applying lightly, and if I need to, I shall reapply more. Start small, work your way up. Okay, now, so I'm going to just take these out. As you can see, we've got nice big curls. So, I'm going to put the majority of the wax into these parts here, what I call the foundation. This part here is what will hold your stache all day. The curls you can kind of always get away with just adjusting. If you've got a good strong foundation here, your stache will stay strong throughout the day. Now you see I'm not pulling it, I'm just going over it lightly. And there we are. Just some nice big curls. Because I'm not overdoing it on the wax, it almost look quite natural. If I want, just hold the thumb in there a little bit, just to get that to go round. tell you a little secret. This side of my stash is a lot bigger than this side. This side is thicker here than it is here. But I'm well over that now. It doesn't bother me. If I want, I can just take my stash comb, put everything together. Again, just like so. Pinch at the end and twist around. Again to this side. Quite happy with this side already though. So yeah, there you go. Quick guide to stash rolling. Don't forget to head over to Twisted Moustache, get yourself some of their brand new stache wax. Stuff is incredible. I've been lucky enough to be using it since March, but now I've got my hands on the English Gent, which just smells incredible right here, right under the schnozzle. Okay, so I'm going to have a little tidy up of that. I'll leave you with it. Have a great day.